Welcome to Toddler Time. It's time to have so much fun. Today we're going to count fruits and learn their colors. Are you ready? Let's go.
It's toddler time.
Whoa! Look, one big juicy apple. It's so round and so shiny. Do you see the color? It's red, bright, beautiful red. Apples are crunchy and sweet and so yummy. One red apple. Let's count. 1. Whoa, look over there. 2 bananas. What color are they? Yellow, bright and sunny, just like the sunshine. And guess what? Bananas are so soft inside. Monkeys love bananas. 2 yellow bananas. Let's count. 1, 2. Oh, wow. 3 tiny strawberries. Look how cute they are. And the color? Red, just like apples. But these have little seeds on the outside. And green leaves on top. Wow. Can you say red? Good job. 3 red strawberries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at that! 4 big, round oranges. These are so juicy. When you squeeze them, splash, orange juice everywhere. And guess what? They're the color orange, just like their name. How cool is that? Oranges are sweet and sometimes a little sour, but they're always delicious. 4 oranges. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! What is this? 5 big watermelons. Look at them. They're huge and they're green on the outside, but when you cut them open, wow! They're red inside with tiny black seeds. So juicy. 5 watermelons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look up there. 6 purple bunches of grapes. Grapes grow in bunches, and these are purple. But guess what? Grapes can be green too. They're tiny and round and so sweet. 6 purple bunches of grapes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! Look! 7 spiky pineapples. Pineapples have a spiny green top and a bumpy yellow outside, and inside, yellow, just like bananas, so sweet and juicy. 7 yellow pineapples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wow! 8 little blueberries. These are tiny, and guess what? They are blue. Not purple, not red, but blue. Wow, and they are so sweet inside. 8 blueberries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wow! Look at those. 9 big, round coconuts. Ooh! Look at their brown, fuzzy shells. They are round like a circle. But wait, let's crack one open. Wow! Inside it's bright white. What a surprise! 9 brown coconuts. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 brown coconuts. Oh, wow. Look at these. 10 shiny red cherries. Oh, they're so small and so round. And look at those cute little green stems. Cherries are so sweet. And when you bite into them, pop, bursting with flavor. Yum. 10 red cherries. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 red cherries. Wow, you did it! You counted all the fruits. Great job! You're so smart. Keep practicing, and next time, we'll count even more. Thank you for joining Toddler Time. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Wake up, kiddos, it's toddler time.